Welcome to this video guide on pronouns and points of view. Let's explore these important building blocks of writing. First, let's unlock the magic of pronouns and see how they can help words shapeshift. The substitute. A pronoun is a special word that takes the place of a noun, a person, place, or thing. Saves time. Instead of saying, Rahul took Rahul's dog to Rahul's house, we say, Rahul took his dog to his house. Flows better. Pronouns stop us from repeating the same names over and over. They make our sentences sound smooth. So what exactly is a pronoun? Think of it as a substitute teacher for a noun. It takes the place of a person, place, or thing. Why do we use them? Well, they save time. Instead of sounding like a robot and saying Rahul took Rahul's dog to Rahul's house, we can say Rahul took his dog to his house. Pronouns make our sentences flow much better and stop us from sounding repetitive. Before we go further, here are 3 golden rules you need to remember for both ICSE and CBSE exams. Rule 1, number agreement. If you're talking about one thing, use a singular pronoun like he, she, or it. If there are many, use plural pronouns like they or them. Rule 2, gender agreement. We use he or him for boys, she or her for girls, and it for objects or animals. And rule 3, clear antecedent. That's a big word, but it just means the noun you are replacing. You must always make sure it's super obvious who or what your pronoun is talking about. Subject versus object pronouns. Subject pronouns. These pronouns are the stars of the sentence. They do the action. Examples: I, you, he, she, it, we, they. She kicked the football. Object pronouns. These pronouns receive the action. They come after the verb. Examples: me, you, him, her, it, us, them. The football hit him. Now, let's look at the 2 main jobs pronouns have. First, subject pronouns. These are the stars of your sentence. They are the ones doing the action. Like I, she, or they. For example, she kicked the football. The second type are object pronouns. These guys receive the action and usually come after the verb, like me, him, or them. For example, the football hit him. All right, time for a quick checkpoint. Here is your first question. Look at this sentence. The dog happily wagged its tail. Which word is the pronoun taking the place of the dog's name? Take a second. Got it? The answer is its. Great job. Now let's move to part 2, point of view. Understanding this helps us determine who is actually telling the story. Think of point of view as a camera lens. Depending on where the camera is placed, the audience sees the story from a different perspective. First person, the narrator is a character inside the story telling you what happens to them. Second person, the narrator is speaking directly to you, making you a character in the story. Third person, the narrator is outside the story, watching everything happen like a movie. So there are 3 main types of point of view. First person is when the narrator is a character inside the story. Second person is when the narrator speaks directly to you, the reader. And third person is when the narrator is entirely outside the story, just watching things happen. In first person, the narrator is inside the story, using pronouns like I or my to talk about themselves. Second person POV speaks directly to the reader, using pronouns like you or your to make you part of the action. In third person, the narrator remains outside the story, watching events unfold like a movie and using pronouns like he, she, or they. Summary: pronouns and POV memo. First person, inside the story. I, me, my, we, us, our. Second person, talking to the reader. You, your, yours. Third person, outside the story. He, she, it, they, him, them. Let's do a quick summary. If the narrator is inside the story using I or we, it's first person. If they are talking directly to you using you, it's second person. And if they are outside the story using he, she, or they, it's third person. Simple, right? Time to test your knowledge. For this sentence, we see the use of you and your, identifying it as second person point of view. For our final question, the use of I and my confirms this is written in the first person point of view. Great job! You've done an awesome job and are now a master of pronouns and points of view. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun lessons.